Hey, Dan Henry here, and in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, how do I get past the feeling of I don't have time to do all the things I want to do? Whether that's business or in life, if you have all these ideas and you have all these things you want to do, but you just don't have the time, how do you deal with that? How do you get past that? And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, especially if you like videos like this, because you're not going to be able to hear about new ones if you don't subscribe and smash the like button. And leave me a comment. What's the biggest thing in life that you have not had time to do that you want to do?
Hi, I'm Dan Henry. I used to deliver pizza and sell water bottles to pay my rent. Then I discovered entrepreneurship and grew a $20 million online business. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how.
All right, so I get asked this question quite a bit. Dan, I have all these ideas, I have all these skills, I have all these dreams, I have all these goals, but I just don't have the time to do it. Well, here is how I like to view that. The answer here is more about the question itself. You see, many people have a lot of dreams, many people have a lot of skills, and almost all of us have a lot of things that we'd love to do. But the truth is, it's not about finding time to do those things, because ultimately, you probably don't have the time. We are only human beings. There's only so many hours in a day. And if we could do everything we wanted to do, we would have to break the rules of time and space to do that, because everybody has ambitions much greater than their physical ability to do them. We all do. I do. Even Elon Musk does it. He's done pretty well. He's putting people on Mars, but I'm sure he's had other things he would want to do in his lifetime that he simply didn't get around to doing. And so the answer here is to reframe the question. How do I decide of all those things I want to do, what is the most impactful and how do I let the rest go? Steve Jobs said that focus is not about deciding what to do, it's about deciding what not to do. And the truth is, if you try to do everything, you'll end up accomplishing nothing. And that is a far greater crime than letting go of some of your dreams because you don't have enough time. The truth is, you have to find what is most impactful for you, for your family, for your life. Ultimate goal is that you want to achieve. Because think about this for a second. We change who we are every 5 years. We're a completely different person almost. Think about yourself 5 years ago. You would probably have a lot of arguments with the way you thought, and then go back another 5. You'd have even more arguments with yourself. 5 years into the future, you're not going to agree with a lot of the things that you think now. And so your goals and the things you want to do in your dreams will change. It's far better to do one thing well than a lot of things not so well. So what I'd like you to do is think about what is most impactful and how can I, instead of getting over the feeling of, oh, I can't do everything, get over the feeling of it's okay to let that go. Learn to let those things go. Even if you've invested time, money, and energy in them. I've had a lot of things that I've had to let go, that I've invested time, money, and energy because I realized it was a weight on me. I was dragging it down through the journey of life. And once I did that, it opened up time, energy, and my ability to excel at the other things that were more impactful. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And if so, again, make sure you subscribe, like, all that jazz. And if you need any more help, I'm going to leave a link below this video where you can go to getdanshelp.com, where you can see some more options for how I can help you in your business or your life. See you in the next video.